everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Valentine's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day King Kong. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day Kong, let's begin up here with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down and then back like this. I'm going to curve this line up and I'm going to add a couple more little curved lines here. Then I'm going to make a little curve right here for the eye. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come out, and then we're going to bring this back in. We're going to make another little curve right here for that other eye. For the nose, let's make a line that's just going to kind of come up and back down. And we'll do that same thing over here, just a little bit smaller. Let's curve this around, and then let's curve this around. Then we can make two little lines that come down with a couple little lines across. I'm going to bring this line up and then down to here. Couple little lines, and we're going to connect this to here. Now right here for the front of the mouth, let's bring this line down. Let's draw a little curved line that's just going to come up. It's going to come over to here, and then we're going to bring this around. Next, I'm going to curve this down. I'm going to bring this up and then over. And I'm going to connect it to here. For the teeth, let's draw a long pointed line here. And then we'll make a couple kind of like rounded square teeth here. And another little point here. Let's make a couple little points here and then a couple big ones for the bottom teeth. Let's make a curve here and then a curve here for the tongue. Then let's draw a line that's going to come down and in, and then we'll do another one just to show the kind of side of the mouth. Next, let's just bring this line down into here. And let's go ahead and bring a line that goes out into here for the other cheek. Now for the head, let's just make some pointed lines that are just going to kind of come up and then down like this. Then we're going to make these kind of like zigzag lines. They're just going to come down, and we're going to curve them up to here for like a beard on Kong. Let's make a little curved line, and then let's make a bump here for the ear with a couple little details inside. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this line kind of come up. We're going to curve it down and then around for like the shoulder. And then we'll do the same thing here, kind of bring this line down and make it curve in for the shoulder. I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of come up and down for the chest. And then we're going to kind of curve this in and then up. We'll kind of bring this down, and we're going to curve this around for this chest. We're going to make some lines. We're just going to kind of come up and over, and then bring them to here. Then right here, I'm going to curve this line around for part of the arm, and I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to make this line come out and then over to here. Now I'm going to draw a line that's going to come in, one here, and then we're just going to do one right here, and we're going to curve this up. bring this to here, and then kind of bring it up like this. Next, we're going to bring this line over. We're going to curve it down and then bring it back to here. Or make this little bump and then a little bump here. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of come up here and then around. And then we're just going to add some little extra lines in here going all different directions. Then I'm going to make this a little bit jagged, but we're going to make it look kind of like a heart shape right here for our Valentine's Kong. Then we're going to make a little point here. Then I'm going to make this line come down. And I'm going to make this line come down here. We're going to make this come in, and we're going to make this come right to here. I'm going to make this line come out and then into here. We're going to make some fur right across here, and then we're going to bring this up and in and then over to here. We're going to do a little curved toe here. And we're going to do a toe here, one here, and then one here. I'm going to curve this around kind of for the knee. We're going to bring this down, and then we're going to make a curved toe, and then one here. And we're going to do one over here. Bring this in, and then up to here. I'm going to bring this line out, and we're going to curve it to here. Curve this one in, I'm going to bring this down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around here for his thumb. We're going to make a line that's going to loop up and back like this for a finger. We'll do one here. And then we'll just do one more here. We'll make it look like his other finger you can't really see. Then we'll just connect it. Then we just want to connect this line to here. Now we want to come in here and add some of the details. So right around the face, I'm going to make some little curved lines. And then a few little lines are going to kind of come up and down here. I'm going to make some curved lines right around here on the eyes. I'm going to make some lines up here and then lines right around here. Make some curves here and some curves right around there. We'll make some curves here and then a few little bumps here. Make a little zigzag here and a zigzag here. Make some little wrinkle lines around here and some little wrinkle lines here. We'll make some curves for like the fingernails. We'll do the same thing on the toes, just make these little kind of oval shapes for the toenails. And then add some little extra lines right around here, just to give it that little texture and detail. Just going to kind of add some extra little quick lines on different parts, just to kind of shape out his body. And we're just going to kind of keep doing this all around. Just going to add these little lines kind of all over the place. And just kind of fill this area in. We'll make a little point at the top here, and then we'll make some little broken lines kind of right around the heart area. And then some extra little lines on his axe staff. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Valentine's Day Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.